Good day and welcome to the channel. In this very short video, we are going to explain how to fix the lighting in your garage for about, $10. You don't need a screwdriver. You don't need to know what you're doing. It's just simple stuff. A couple of quick things off Amazon. By the way, this is completely unsponsored. So if you find this video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. So the answer to how to fix the lighting in your garage without having any skill, you can do this, and without spending any real money, is one of these little mini fan light bulbs. Now, there's a pile of these on Amazon, so I'll put the link up for the one that I purchased. Well, I'll show you which one I did, but you don't really have to care. There's a ton of them. Now, let's just show you how they work, because they are a little different. Basically, they're fan blades, right? So they fold, so you can do whatever you want with them. In addition to being a lot brighter, they're also going to send light in different directions, which is going to get rid of shadows, which is a nice thing. So this is actually 30 watts, which is half of what an old incandescent bulb is. So if you're thinking, oh, you're going to put that in and you're going to overload your circuit and blow your fuse, no, you could jam a bunch of these in and be just fine. That is nice. And the other thing I wanted to concern myself with was the garage door opener. When I open the garage door, I want it to be bright as well. So I paid about $11, I think, for 2 of these flexible light extensions. And this braided cable is great. I can move it anywhere I want, and it's firm. It's going to stay. So this cost me about, $5.50 Canadian. So let's call it, $4 US. So to do both of these lights will cost you less than $15. Now you'll notice there's a gap at the bottom of these things, and that's because back in the day these were incandescent light bulbs and they got hot. So I had to let them vent. You know what goes through that space? This will. So it just screws in, just like a light bulb. Make sure it's tight. There we go. I'm going to bend that down like that. There we go. Take my new mini fan blade bulb, screw it in. Beautiful. So now every time the garage door opens, that's going to turn on. And is that going to be bright enough? Yes. Hey, so you can do this by yourself. You don't need any tools. You don't need any skills. If you can screw in a light bulb, you can fix your garage lighting. Now, we would really appreciate it if you'd give us the big thumbs up. Subscribe's also appreciated, as we do a lot of these kinds of things. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.